Hello students, today division of a line segment in a given ratio. एक लाइन सेगमेंट को किसी दिए हुए रेशियो में डिवाइड करना है. कैसे डिवाइड करें? फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज हियर. Divide a line segment (6.5 centimeter) in the ratio 2:3. 2:3 इस रेशियो में डिवाइड करना है लाइन सेगमेंट को. अब यहाँ जो कुछ भी हम करेंगे उसका स्टेप्स भी लिखेंगे. It is essential to write the steps of the construction. So we draw a line segment. First we take a line and draw a line segment of 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. Put metal in here and pencil in here. Also metal in here and pencil in here, both sides. This is the perfect way to taking a line segment. This line segment is AB. We have to divide it in the ratio 2:5 internally. The steps of construction. Steps of construction. Step 1. We have taken a line segment AB 6.5 centimeter. The taken, it should in past tense. Taken a line segment AB, that is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Taken a line segment AB 6.5 centimeter. Now take an acute angle, any acute angle. Take an acute angle BAM, and now we construct this angle is equal to here this angle. कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करें एंगल के इक्वल में एंगल? एक कोई एक्यूट एंगल बनाए. ए पर मेटल इन रखे, बी पर पेंसिल मेटल इन रखे और एक आर्क खींचे. वही आर्क अब यहाँ खींचना है. बी पर पेंसिल रखे. यह लेंथ कितना बड़ा है? यह लेंथ the construct angle ABN is equal to angle BAM. Step 2. That means these two angles are known as alternate interior angle. If alternate interior angles are equal, lines be parallel. AM parallel BN. Here in step 2. Step 2. Construct angle BAM, that is equal to angle ABN. ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल बनाया है. That means AM parallel BN, and this is why this construction is in this unit parallel lines. यह कंस्ट्रक्शन जो है इसको पैरेलल लाइंस में रखा गया है. क्यों? ये डिवीजन हमको करना है पैरेलल लाइंस के द्वारा. डिवीजन बाय पैरेलल लाइंस विथ हेल्प ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस. नाउ द रेशियो is 2:3. The sum of incident and consequent is 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. So we divide AM and BN in 5 minus 1 part, equal part, only 4 parts. Since a line is divided in 2 parts by 1 point, a line is divided in 4 parts by 3 points. Here we have to divide AB in 5 parts, so we have to take 4 points on AM and BN. So how we take a small arc of any radius. Take a small arc of any radius, and from 1 we take 1, 2, 3, 4. Here again from 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it. A1, A2, A3, A4. Also here B1, B2, B3, B4. Now incident is here 2. Consequent is 3. Incident is here 2. At A2. Join A2, B2. So first of all, step 3. Step 3. Step 3. Divide AM and BN by a small arc at A1, A2, A3, A4 and B1, B2, B3, B4 respectively. Now join step 4. Step 4. Join A2, B2. Join A2, B2. Which intersect AB at C. Step 4. Join A2, B2, which intersects AB at C. Thus, result is here. Thus, AC is to BC, that is equal to 2 is to 3. Hence, AB is divided at point C in the ratio 2 is to 3. Thank you.